How to remove Meta account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a Meta account from Facebook safely and quickly in 2025. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, you simply have to tap on the option that says see more in account center. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the account center, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as accounts. So simply tap on it. And now here you will see all your Meta accounts that are linked. So here, if you want to remove it, then you simply have to tap on the remove option beside the account that you want to remove. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to select remove account. And here on the next page, you simply have to tap on continue. And here at the last, you simply have to tap on yes, finish removing. And once you do that, your Meta account will now be unlinked from it and your accounts will be separated again. And that's it. That's how you can remove Meta account on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.